You ready to start painting cookies? You want to start painting cookies? Okay, hang on. Let's see here. Let's get one cookie out. And here's some blue paint. A little bit goes a long way. You remember that, okay? Oh, look at that. Very nice. You want to try a different color?
Yes.
Yeah? Here, let's spread this around a little. Ooh, look at this. Watch. Ooh. Very nice. Mm-hmm. That's all, that one's all done?
Yes.
Okay, we'll put it over here. You want to try green next? Put the blue. Put that. Nope. Put that back. In there. Put the spoon back in there. There you go. And we'll switch colors. Ooh, green. Very nice. Oh, I think that is just so pretty.
I'm getting one more.
One more scoop? Okay, one more scoop. All right. Okay, okay, you're getting it on the floor. Okay, here we go. Okay, are you happy you're decorating cookies?
Yeah.
Yeah? You can tell me about it? Yes, very nice. You say Merry Christmas?